Welcome to today's lecture. Our topic today is naming and classification of microorganisms. This is our lecture 10 presented by Microbiology, the Biological Sciences. Our lecture 10 will be on overview of naming and classification of organisms. This includes binomial nomenclature, how the names are assigned including examples, introduction to classification, domains, and examples. Nomenclature is the system of naming of organisms. It follows the binomial system. The current naming system was established in 1735 by Swedish doctor and botanist Carolus Linnaeus. The system is used throughout biology. Binomial nomenclature defines names as follows. Names are Latinized. Latin was traditionally used by scholars. Assigns each organism two names, the genus, the first name that is always capitalized, and the specific epithet that is not capitalized. The organism is referred to by both the genus and the specific epithet, and both names are printed in italics or underlined separately when handwritten. After a scientific name has been mentioned once, it can be abbreviated with the initial of the genus followed by the specific epithet. Scientific names can, among other things, describe an organism, honor a researcher, or identify the habitat of the species of an organism. Examples: Staphylococcus aureus, a bacterium commonly found in human skin. Staphylo describes the cluster or arrangement of the cells. Coca indicates that they are shaped in the sphere, like spheres. The specific epithet aureus is a Latin for golden, the color of many colonies of the bacterium. Escherichia coli is named for a patrician, Theodore Escherich, whereas its specific epithet coli reminds us that E. coli lives in the colon or large intestine. Naming of microorganisms. Examples include the following: Salmonella enterica, that is to honor the public health microbiologist Daniel Salmon, and the source of epithet is there. It is found in intestines. Staphylococcus pyogenes, the bacterium, it is spherical and the cells are arranged in chains, and pyo stands for pus. The bacterium produces pus. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is a fungus. Myces is for fungus, and saccharose means sugar loving. So cerevisiae means it makes beer. Penicillin physogerum, tough-like or paintbrush penicillin, produces yellow crystal. Trypanosoma cruzi, that's a protozoan. Trypano means corkscrew and soma means body. This is the specific epithet is for the epidemiologist honored, that is Oswaldo Cruz. Classification is the organization of organisms into groups on the basis of either phenotypic similarities or evolutionary relationship. Initially, all organisms were grouped into either the animal or plant kingdom. When microscopic organisms with characteristics of animals and plants were discovered in the 17th century, a new system of classification was identified in the late 1970s. A species is made up of one or to several strains, and species are grouped into genera. Then similar genera are grouped into families are grouped into orders into classes, and that goes all the way up to domains. In 1978, Carl Wolf devised a system of classification based on the cell organization of organisms into three main domains. That is, bacteria, they have cell walls. The cell walls are composed of peptidoglycan. Archaea, they don't have cell walls, and those that have, and the cell walls are not made of peptidoglycans. Then you have eukarya. These ones include protists, fungi, plants, and animals. In this slide, we are using the purple sulfur bacterium, that is Allochromatium warmingi, as an example for illustration of classification, starting from species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, and final domain. It falls in the domain of bacteria. It is a proteobacteria. The class is Gamma Proteobacteria. Order is Chromatias. family is Chromatiaceae, and genus is Alachromatium, and the species is Wormii. In the slide, you also see the properties of the bacteria and how to do the confirmatory test. Thank you for watching our lecture. That was our lecture 10. Our next lecture will be on the types of microorganisms. Kindly subscribe to our channel to view more lectures that we will be presenting from time to time. This is presented by Microbiology, the Biological Sciences.